Vice President Dr. Konstantin Chiwenga is touched down in Nizhny Novgorod, Russia, representing Zimbabwe at the Digital Industry of Industrial Russia (CIPR) conference, one of Russia's most consequential platforms on individual digitization, data-driven growth, and international technology cooperation. And Zimbabwe is a seat at that table. Sabina Mashkubranyo Kopangwana Chinzi Chiwenga is in Russia. And subscribe or like on the bell icon. This is not a courtesy visit. This is not a photo opportunity. This is Zimbabwe actively plugging into the global digital economy on its own terms through its own partnerships with its own strategic interests firmly on the agenda. And VP Chiwenga did not just talk technology. He acknowledged what Zimbabwe never forgets: Russia's unwavering friendship. A friendship forged in the heart of the liberation struggle when Russia stood with Zimbabwe's freedom fighters while the West looked away. A friendship proven again in 2008 when Russia stood at the United Nations Security Council and opposed the Western-backed sanctions designed to bring Zimbabwe to its knees. That is not a diplomatic relationship. That is a bond. While the West lectures Zimbabwe about governance, Russia abuses with Zimbabwe. While Western institutions impose conditions, Russia extends partnership. While sanctions tried to isolate Zimbabwe, Russia withheld them. Today in Nizhny Novgorod, VP Chiwenga carries that history into a conversation about Zimbabwe's digital future. Safe travels, Your Excellency, represent as well as you always do. And I comment section medu of Igmot Kudiba solve this visit. It's on VP Chiwenga. Na comment section medu, some subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.